we got this situation to handle. So limit is ranging from minus a to a. So the moment you will observe the limit ranging from minus a to a, you have to connect with this property minus a to a f of x. How you have to write? You will be writing minus a, sorry, now this thing will become 0 to a, and then f of x plus f of minus x dx. Okay, this you have to handle in this situation. This property you have to apply. So the moment you will observe minus a to a, you have to connect yourself with the given idea. Okay, now let's write down the function. So it is 0 to a. Here we will have 0. Now f of x means same thing. So you have to write x cube tan x square plus. Now you have to replace x with minus x. So minus x cube and then tan of minus x square dx. Now look at this, what will happen. 0 to a, this is x cube tan x square. This x cube will become minus of x cube will become minus of x cube, and then this thing is, it's a square now, so it will become plus. So it is tan x square dx. Now this thing gone. Okay, so we are left with 0. Okay, so integration of 0 will become 0 only. Therefore the required result is 0. I hope the idea is clear, and the moment you guys will observe the limit minus a to a, you can connect with the given property. Okay.